There's some real science that indicates that when physicians come together at the level of the community and engage in systems-level approaches to healthcare, that they can produce some pretty outstanding results.
You know, at the core, my practice has remained simply a relationship with the patient. That has not changed over the years. What has changed is the consolidation that has occurred, but not just within the health delivery systems, but the consolidation of the payer and the provider systems coming together to become one entity. How we as an independent practice navigates that can be challenging, and the CIN, through the Pennsylvania Medical Society and the collaboratives, is a vehicle for us to kind of remain relevant and important and engaged through that consolidation.
The things I like about being an independent family physician is that we get a lot of flexibility. We can focus more on patient care rather than worrying about bureaucracies. And it's exciting because we can actually also partner with community members and things, and we have that full freedom to do things our own way.
We joined the PA Clinical Network mainly because it was led by a number of other independent physicians looking to do what we do, preserve independent practices in the state, show the insurance companies that the quality of care we give is every bit as good, if not better. If we remain independent and have contracts with a number of these groups and prove to them that the quality of care that we give is every bit as good as their employed groups, we can kind of continue the quality of care to our community without having to worry that half our patients may need to leave and go elsewhere.
We've been very, very well received. In a matter of a year, we were already at 1,000 patients, and we're well over that now. And patients are thrilled that they're getting a personal touch in a non-institutional environment. Medicine's become big business. I think I see more of the negatives of that, in that physicians, along with patients, are becoming commodities.
We get to know our patients. We know if they've been on vacation, their grandkids. You're not just a number here, you're a name, and we know about you and we care about you.
I'm not bound by the boundaries of the employer who says your patient got to go here, and I can get the best care for the patient. At the same time, I'm not at the bottom of the flow chart. A lot of organization physicians are only a step above the clerks, and they're par with everybody else except the administration. So that, to me, undervalues the physician.
The choice to become an independent physician was a difficult one, mostly because many of the training programs that are out there, including the one I had, was formed and created by an organization. But as you get further out of, or closer to the end of training, and you start to experience what practicing physicians do in your area, it became clear to me that my thinking and the way I approach medicine was more succinct with an independent thinking physician.
We decided to join the PA Clinical Network for many reasons. One is because staying independent is really important to us, and we realized that it's us against a lot of big machines.
We looked at many different other possibilities, and there's many fine groups out there, but I really felt that if the PA Medical Society doesn't have the patient and physician's best interests at heart, then frankly there's not a lot of hope out there. My experience with them has been that they are a couple steps ahead of everybody else, and that's why we've been so active and excited about joining this organization.